Yo, what's up guys, it's the Khalifa, and what I'll be showing today is simply how to check the date you created you created your Facebook page. Whether it is your page, whether it just is not your page, you can actually check the date with this very step. So I've been seeing thousands of questions on the internet on how to check this very particular page created date on Facebook. So in this short time, I'm gonna show you how to check it so quickly. So, and few weeks back, I did one video on how to add your Facebook join date to your profile. So if you want to watch it, you can actually go to the description of the video to watch the video. So guys, as we are in the homepage of the Facebook, as you can see, here's my account. So what's gonna happen is that you need to search for the page. The page you want to know the date you created. If it's your own page, you can actually search for it. So like take Khalifa now. So here is my page. So you guys, I advise you to go and like my page and also follow me, and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. As you can see, you have to scroll down, go to page transparency. You can see page transparency over here. Make sure to click on see all, and once you click on see all on the page transparency button, it will take some seconds to load. And finally we got it. You can see Khalifa blogger, page history, page name has not changed. I created this page around, you can see page created Khalifa around 7 March 2020. So I created this page 7th March 2020. So whenever the name of the page changes, you will see it will go according to the date. So now the page was created around 7 March 2020, and currently I'm not running ads on this page. So that's the whole information about it. So guys, if you might one way or another enjoy this video, make sure to go to Facebook and search for Khalifa, like my page and also follow it. Then also subscribe to this channel for more tech videos and like this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Peace out.